Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring the same Apple ID or external account is active on both devices. On iPhone, open Settings, on Mac, open System Settings or System Preferences, then add or verify the account. Once added, enable calendar syncing for that account so events can flow. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active and that you signed in recently. This is the foundation. Syncing won't work until the account and calendar toggle are both enabled and connected. Once done, configure the specifics that determine what you see. On iPhone, open Calendar Settings to set default calendar and enable time zone support. On Mac, use calendar settings to match these choices. For Google or Exchange, set fetch or push intervals so updates arrive promptly. Then open the calendar app on each device and choose which calendars to display or merge. Making these choices prevents duplicate events and ensures new items appear where you expect them. To finish, create a test event on one device and watch it appear on the other. If it doesn't sync, force a refresh by toggling calendars off and on in account settings or by toggling Wi-Fi briefly. Make sure device clocks and time zones match. If problems persist, sign out and back into the account or restart both devices. Key troubleshooting tip: always verify the authoritative source at iCloud.com or your provider's web calendar to determine where the mismatch started.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.